Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the manual setup process of the D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi Extender with clear, step-by-step instructions. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or troubleshooting connection issues, this tutorial will help you get your extender running smoothly. Let's begin. Start by unboxing your D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi Extender and checking the contents of the package. Ensure you have the Wi-Fi extender, a power adapter, and the user manual. These components are essential for a smooth setup process and proper device configuration. Next, plug your D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender into a wall socket and switch it on. Wait patiently for the power LED to light up solid green, signaling that the device is powered on and ready for the setup process to begin. On your smartphone or laptop, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, usually named D-Link Extender XXXX. There is no password required at this stage. Now, launch any web browser and type dlinkcap.local or 192.168.0.50 into the address bar. Press Enter, and you will be directed to the D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi Extender Setup page to begin configuration. Click on Start Setup, then select the option Extend an existing network to begin the configuration process. The D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the correct Wi-Fi password, and then click Next to proceed. After entering your Wi-Fi network details, click Save Apply to confirm the settings. The D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender will then reboot, a process that may take a few minutes. Once restarted, it will automatically connect to your main router, extending the network. Finally, check your Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new extended network with A_EXT at the end of your existing Wi-Fi name. Connect to it and test the internet speed to ensure everything is working perfectly. If you experience any issues or need assistance during the setup process, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for expert support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for quick and reliable assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender manually. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop your questions in the comments.